1.2 is over 1.5 equals x over 47.8. 1.5x equals 57.36. X equals 38.24.
The reason the answer to the question is definition of parallelogram is because the definition says that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent.
The vertices of quadrilateral EFGH have the coordinates E1, -10, F2, 3, G4, 5, and H, -3, 8. Which of the following best describes quadrilateral EFGH? It's none of the above because none of the answers make sense.
With the compass, they drew part of a circle. We know that anywhere you put points, they are congruent. So side AB and side AC are congruent, so your answer is B.
To find the answer, you have to look at the proof. First, you look at statement 2, and you see that side PQ is congruent to side SR, or is parallel to side SR, which means you can mark them as congruent. And next, you look at statement 3, and you see that angle PQS is congruent to angle RSQ. So that means that this angle is congruent to this angle. And after that, you look at the other part of statement 3. It says that side QPR is congruent to side, and angle QPR is congruent to angle SRP, which means this angle is congruent to this angle. So then your answer would be angle, side, angle.
Go team.
And you draw your arc. And then you go to point R and you connect the line from the top of the arc to angle Q.
You measure the distance.
You measure the distance of the arc.
There you go.
And then you go to angle, or to point Y, and then you measure the distance from the top of the arc to point X.
You mark it.
Then you mark it. And so the answer would be B, point R, because it is the third thing you do.
MN bisects angles PMQ. Angle M, they are congruent on both sides. And MN also bisects angles P, NQ. Angle N, they are congruent on both sides. And MN, the line is a side, so therefore your answer would be angle, side, angle.